Welcome to the USF 25 Live training. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to log into 25 Live and make a general-purpose space request for any of your USF events that are not academic courses. Please note that this training will not cover all 25 Live's functionality. To access 25 Live, log into your My USF account using your NetID and password. Once logged in, select the Business Systems tab to access Space Management. 25 Live link. As a helpful hint, add this link to your customizable My Menu tab for easy access. You may also access 25 Live at usf.edu/space and select Request Space. You will be brought to this view in 25 Live. Click on the 25 Live icon to access the dashboard, where you will find a quick search portal with the following options: Search Events, Search Locations, Search Resources, Search Organizations. To search for locations, type in the building name to list, view, and display rooms in an alphabetical list. To view specific details of a location, hover over the blue hyperlink for an overview of room details and a photo. If you right-click on the hyperlink, you will see a drop-down of options on how to view the classroom. Click on Details, and you will see this view. Once the location is selected, the detailed view will provide in-depth information such as the room features, capacity, and images of the location for general-purpose classrooms. Please note, space not managed by the Registrar's Office may not have pictures or specifications disclosed in the Details feature. Be sure to contact the department scheduler for more information. Click on the star to favorite any locations used or requested, frequently enabling those rooms to display in your Starred Locations widget. To request space and create an event reservation, select Event Form. The event form consists of several fields that require information regarding your event. Any field that is required must be completed before submitting your request. Each field has an information icon that drops down with an explanation of that field. You can click the icon again to hide the drop-down. When entering the event name or event title, please follow this template for exams, makeup exams, and study sessions. Include course prefix, course number, what type of event, format which semester by using FA for fall, SP for spring, and SU for summer, with the last two digits of the year, for example, 24. The required event name field is limited to 40 characters. If your event title or name exceeds 40 characters, please also use the Event Title for Web Calendars field. Use the drop-down menu to select the most appropriate pre-filled category for your event in the Event Type field. Under the primary sponsoring organization, type in the field to bring up an alphabetical listing of pre-filled organizations. If your organization or college is not listed, please email AskSpace@usf.edu to be added to the drop-down list. The expected headcount is the maximum number of guests expected to attend your event. When selecting the event date and time, please only enter the event's first meeting date and time. Please do not uncheck this begins and ends on the same day feature. Please adjust the start and end times of your event if any additional time is needed for setup prior to the event or breakdown post-event. If there is no event prior to your event, the doors of requested rooms will open 30 minutes prior to the event start time. If your event is occurring over multiple dates at the same time, click on the calendar and additional dates will turn blue. If you need to adjust the times and/or remove any selected dates, click on the blue Manage Occurrences box. Then adjust times or remove unwanted dates. Please note, you cannot select a date earlier than the date you selected above, as the date will be your first occurrence. To find a location, please enter the preferred building to search for availability. Note, you can also add a room location to refine your search. Ensure these two boxes are checked. Hide conflicts will filter out any rooms not available during the requested time of your event. Enforce headcount will filter out any rooms that are too small to accommodate your event. Available rooms will populate. You may hover or click the location to see the capacity, room features, or photos if provided. To review rooms managed by Academic Space and scheduling for USF Tampa, St. Pete, or Sarasota campuses, please navigate to our website at usf.edu/space under Classrooms. If you are requesting a room not on a classroom list, then the room is managed by a department outside of the Registrar's Office, and your request will be reviewed by the department approver for that room. Please select the blue Request button to add the room to the reservation request. Under the Add column, it will now display Added below. If a room is selected and is no longer wanted, select Remove and start the process over. Please note, if you do not see the space below and your event is saved, it will not reach the appropriate offices for processing and approval. Under Contact Roles, use the drop-down arrow to locate the name of the requester. However, please refrain from changing the scheduler's information. Event state will default as tentative, then click to save as tentative when you have been brought to the Events Details page and receive the notification on the bottom left of your screen. Then your event has successfully been submitted for approval. An email with the subject line, Event Created For, with the title of your event, is automatically triggered and sent to the requester's inbox. Note from 25 Live provides an update about your request. The tentative status is indicated. Please review all the event and location details into the room. If updates are needed, please click the Event Details blue hyperlink to direct you back to your request, where you can make and save any necessary updates. The tentative event is now under review for approval. Once approved, another automatic email with the subject line, Event Created For, the title of your event, is triggered and sent to the requester's inbox. Note the status is updated. Your event has been confirmed. For additional resource materials for academic space and scheduling needs, please visit usf.edu/space. Thank you for watching, and as always, go Bulls!